father, the fallen son, Idris Elba. As you said, you're West African. Your mom is from Ghana, and your father, Sierra Leone?
Sierra Leone. Yeah.
And you recently went to Ghana, right here, last month. What was the occasion?
Yeah.
What was the occasion?
Well, I was in Ghana. Actually, I was making a documentary about gold, the Gold Coast. I was really fascinated how human beings are fascinated with this mineral, gold, right? And while I was there, in Ashanti Kingdom, which is in Kumasi, the king, the Ashanti king, said, "Hey, I'm a big fan. Why don't you come to my yearly procession where I meet all of my kingdom, of which is a very big, vast kingdom." And he said, "Please come down and say hi." What? Yes. So I showed up in my jeans. They were like, no. You got to wear this. And that was the outfit. And it was a really fascinating day. I mean, it was beautiful. The tradition was rich. And you know, this is a kente, outfit, cloth. And when you
Had
meet...
you wore one before?
No.
Was it hard? Like, is there a special way to...
There's a system. So when you meet the king, you know, typically what you have to do is you have to drop the shoulder down a little bit and then shake the king's hand. It's part of the tradition.
What does this symbolize? Like openness or something like that?
I guess it's just a sort of like symbol of sort of respect. You know, this is the first time I'm wearing it, right? And, you know, underneath you just got your shorts on. And my thing kept unraveling. I was like, oh man, I'm going to meet the king and just going to fall off me and just be standing there in my boxers. And I was like, please let this not happen to me. So I did my thing really gently. Yeah. It was actually a really beautiful time. I don't mean to make fun of it. It was very beautiful.
Well.